So let's take a look at how you look at your purchase history on your Xbox Series S or X. So all you want to do is you go to your top bar where it says like My Games and Apps. You just want to scroll along to the end where it says Settings and it's like a little cog symbol. Simply click that. Once you're in here, you want to scroll down to the account on the left hand side. Once you're here, you want to go over to Payment and Billing. When you're in Payment and Billing, you can go to Order History, and in here you should see all the different items that you've purchased. This is for your whole Microsoft account. As you can see here, I have a Microsoft 365 plan, and it also shows up on the Xbox thing, so that's something to be aware of. Here you'll see the amount that you purchased an item for, along with the date and its current status, like complete, redeemed, or maybe chargeback or refund. You can also see from this drop down here that we can also change the duration. So if we want, we can get everything that we've ever purchased on our Microsoft account. So as you can see, here's quite a few different things. If you purchase multiple items at the same time, they'll go into this little basket. You can click that and you can click show items. I'm not going to do that just because it reveals some other information. But you can also come up here to show all, and you can also like filter through the different things. So you can do all in progress. Like if you've done some pre-orders and you maybe want to cancel them or something, you can come in here and click pre-orders and it'll show you what pre-orders you have on your account. So that's how you look at your purchase history on your Xbox. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.